Hey guys, so we are today here with Silvia from Salsa with Silvia, and we're gonna ask a couple of key questions for all of the great dancers out there, especially for those that want to begin to dance. We're gonna break down some tips for all of you guys.
There are so many important things about becoming a good dancer. I'll start with learning your basics, right? So that's important when you're first starting to make sure you learn your foundation, your basic moves, and then you gradually go up more into the levels. And you always have to make sure that you consult with your instructor before you move up. Don't just jump levels because you think you're that good. You have to always consult with your instructor to make sure that you're ready to move up. And that's what we do here at the Salsa with Silvia studio. We make sure that the instructors talk to the students and encourage them to go up or to maybe step back and take the beginner class again. There's nothing wrong.
I saw your moves right now in the class, and I was like, man, like she made it seem so easy, so smooth.
Now, with the shoes, yes, it's actually very important, and at a certain level in dance, it's critical because the shoes are your safety mechanism. They are actually specially made on the bottom. They have suede, and they're super flexible, which number one makes it easy to turn, and number two, it makes it easy to bend. And as you know, as dancers, we are on the balls of our feet most of the time. And so the shoes help a lot. And the other thing that helps is the fact that there's a strap around your ankle. So it holds your ankle and it prevents it from bending and breaking your ankle, which can totally happen. The heel also helps, believe it or not. A lot of ladies are like, are you sure? I don't think I can dance on heels. And I always tell them it's easier for me to dance on heels than to walk on heels.
Because normally when you're doing the spins, like you normally are not putting your weight on
Not
the
at
heels.
all, not
So
at
that's
all.
pretty good.
But it helps because you are supposed to be on the balls of your feet, so the heel helps to do that. And then, and look at how pretty they are. They can
I was going to say that right now, like, and they look so good as well. And for men, I mean, I've seen some guys wearing like these really nice dancing shoes, and I've been in a couple of places here in the area. I'm not gonna say names, right? Because I don't want to put anybody out there, right? But even with Converses, like those are pretty smooth. Like I've had trouble like doing moves, and then I get tired.
You get tired because with this rubber bottom, it's really hard to do the turns, and it's actually bad for your knees to do that. And that's why if you read our FAQs on our website, what we recommend for shoes, even if you don't want to invest yet in a pair of shoes, then make sure you wear something that has a smooth bottom, like what you wear to an office job. Or something that glides on the wood floor, so it doesn't grip and it doesn't hurt your knees eventually. That's what we're after, is helping people to become better social dancers because it's so much fun. I would say go out, go out, go out. There's not enough times you can go out to become a better social dancer. And especially for leads, they're like, oh, I'm so intimidated, I feel like I freeze and I can't come up with it.
I was one of them, I'm not gonna lie, I was one of them.
I mean, and you know what it takes, ask a lady and just, even if you have to say, hey, I'm a beginner, I'm just learning, go for it.
They give you a break. They give you a break. They understand, and that's the thing, like I was very intimidated at first because I thought that I needed to be like this great dancer right out the bat, but I knew my 2 or 3 things before I came to Salsa with Silvia, but then I started realizing like how we have a community here that supports one another, and even the follows, they were telling me like, look, like maybe we could try something like this, and then I was like, you know what, you're right. So don't feel intimidated. That's one thing I will say. You don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to start.
Especially in this community, really. I mean, Salsa with Silvia is all about picking, taking people from zero and seeing them become great dancers. I mean, I've seen you grow so much, you know, like at first you were complete beginner and now you're a great dancer, and you know, it's just, that's all this is about. I mean, just like seeing the joy that people, how they enjoy themselves. And
that's right, making the connections, just because you never know who might be out there that, you know, might bring you to that next level on your life, or push you further from where you are to where you want to go. And that's really key of this whole movement of social dancing.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of people don't understand the difference. Clubbing is one thing, social dancing is another, you know, so that's what we're here. So
it's actually, that's why it's called social dancing, because you actually get to meet people, and
that's true.
Wonderful people. I've heard stories, some people tell me they've met their best friends here, they've met their significant other here, and
like
it's like, it just, people get married. I mean, it just makes it all worthwhile.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%, and I'm proof of that. You know, like I said, I started small, and I've learned tons, you know, and I appreciate that. So hey, thank you for the information, and guys, we really hope that this was helpful. We're planning on bringing a lot more content like this to our page. Please support us. Just leave a like, leave a comment, share this with someone that is interested on starting dancing, or if this helped you, just go ahead and do those things, you know, and pass it around.
Thank you, Eddie. We'll see you guys in the next tip video. Hey guys, if you like this video, please make sure you react, comment, and share. And don't forget, turn on your notifications so you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. And last thing, please check out our website, www.salsawithsilvia.com. That's where we post a lot of things, and that's where classes and all the products are available. So we'll see you next time for the next episode.